We have Chief Minister Pramod Sawant with us. Sir, first North Goa BJP is winning, but South you have lost. How you are analyzing this defeat?
Actually, we already win the North Goa, but with a smaller margin of around 8,000, we have lost the South Goa. Unfortunately, we did better, but in some our constituency, we not got the lead. That's why we'll analyze that, why it happens.
But do you think that mining issue has hurted you most?
Not only the mining, some other issues are also there that hurts us to lose the South Goa seats.
In Bipol, you have won 3 seats, but you lost Panjim, which was the most prestigious seat for the BJP.
It is not always so to win the 100%, but we almost won the 75% of the seats. Only the one seat in Panjim we lose. There are so many other reasons are there. So for the losing of the Panjim seats, we'll do the postmortem for that lose also. But definitely, we are confident in the next elections will win the Panjim seats.
Definitely, number says that BJP government in your leadership is very much intact. But Babu Monsarat has said that his friends will come in Goa after some days, and then new equation will be explode. What do you say about this?
I don't know what the Babu Monsarat is talking. Definitely, we are the 17th. Our Goa Forward, our partner, is with us. Just now also he had ringed me and he had called me that we are with the Bharatiya Janata Party, we are with the NDA. The 3 of the Goa Forward and 3 independent MLA, they are supporting altogether. The number of ours is the 23 in the Goa Legislative Assembly, and we is very much stable to give the stable government.
Sir, your final comment about Modi becoming PM again with huge victory.
So definitely, I am congratulating Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and our Rashtriya Adhyaksha Sri Amit Shah ji for the great victory. And this, the people of nation had shown the definitely confidence in the Narendra Modi ji. Or that definitely Modi ji always says Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, and which proves that the Modi ji had did the development for the nation.
Pramod Sawant is very much confident about the BJP government under his leadership will be intact no matter what opposition says. With Tulsidas Chari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.